we're gonna head on down to the gas station, fill up the tank, and also fill up our own tank, get something to eat for lunch.
I'll go in there. Can't see. There it goes. Okay.
Beautiful day here in Anacortes in the 80s, touch of summer in May.
There it goes.
Oops. What am I doing wrong?
Yeah, don't use the handle.
Okay. I see, just pull a little.
That'll just open it again.
Yeah. Clear right?
There we go. I'm in neutral now, I see, so I can relax.
Yeah. Picking up speed.
Applying brake.
So the brake will pull us a little bit to the left here, right? Going this speed, Dad, or?
No, I don't think so. Clear right?
Clear right. Coming through the industrial section here of the community.
Pretty quiet.
Yeah. Everybody smiles that you pass.
Oh, yeah. I find a lot of little old ladies coming up to me in the parking lot saying how much they like the truck.
How old, Dad?
I don't know.
It's Mount Baker in the distance. No grinding at all, Dad. $3.37 a gallon. Filler cap is right on top of the hood there. Guess that's it. There we go, all full up. Where's the level?
Right here.
Oh,
You
okay.
can see the gas,
Yeah.
but you can't today, so
Does it change when we move a little bit, maybe?
sometimes.
Put in 3 gallons.
Yeah, well, that's about right when you use the dipstick.
Okay. Maybe when we go home, try the dipstick, see how close I got to filling it.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the right here.
Okay, good idea. Right turns are always a good way to go. Little backfire there.
I think it just needs a richness adjustment.
Yeah. Is that something you've done yourself?
With help, with instructions.
Turning the corner in neutral. There's a little bit. That sounds like me.
Yeah.
A little bit of a sound. We can park here on the right-hand side, across the street from Subway, and it's difficult to park there. It's a very tight parking lot. So here we are, ready for lunch.
Rig you got there. Good day to get it out.
It's a nice ride.
I'll hand you the lunch. Hey, thanks. I'll be right around, Pop.
thought I'd get around the corner where it's quiet and then you can take over.
Okay.
Hard to start once it warms up.
Yeah. Did the gas level change? No, it didn't.
No.
We'll check when we get home with the dipstick. Here we are in busy commercial street in downtown Anacortes, Washington. Well, people will yield to us. We're intimidating.
We'll give them the horn.
That's right. Auga. Going the back way, get up that busy street. So I can drive. It starts counting.
Oh,
And
okay.
you don't touch it again, and you see the numbers going.
Yeah.
So it's video. So I'll be driving it home. Neutral. Start her up. Clutch in. First. Make sure no one's there. Give them a signal.
Yeah.
Is that first? Was that first? Didn't sound like it, did it?
Get up a second.
Where's first? There, it's further over. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's not first, is it?
no.
First is down here, right?
You go over here,
Over here.
down.
Well, then you were telling me the wrong spot. There we go. First is down here. Now third is over there. Can't do it. Gotta go down here. Get back to second. Oh,
Down to the right, man.
damn it.
That's not, you're not doing it.
I'm having trouble, Dad.
Yeah. Up here. There you go.
Third is down here.
Yeah. Remember the figure eight.
There we go. I didn't need to do it that slow, but I didn't want to.
Now go into neutral.
First is down here. What happened to my brain? You make me nervous, Dad.
I know.
All right, here we go. First. That was easy.
That was good.
A little bit of a thing there. Probably third should be a little faster. First.
80 degrees now.
I got it, Dad.
There you go. Get it there.
Third, first.
Over to the right.
I'm going to the right as far as I can. Whoops.
Okay, go into second gear.
Damn it. Well, I'm going to have to do some practicing.
Yeah, no kidding.
Don't fire me, Dad.
No, no. Neutral.
I'll learn to be a chauffeur driver in a Model A one day. Yeah.
Yep.
There we go.
Anybody behind us?
Yep.
Okay.
won't get in there.
No, do it.
Why won't it go?
Well, he's not doing it right. You got the clutch in?
Yeah, and floor. I'm putting a hole through the floor.
Okay.
I should be able to go in a second now.
Yeah, but it's up here.
First, second's over here.
Yeah.
I'm going to first.
Yeah, you're gonna start
I'm
out.
going down the street. Gotta practice here. That was about right.
Yeah.
First. Smells like gas a little bit. Is that normal?
Yeah. We just feel that there's probably some vapor left in there.
Doesn't go over. I don't understand why I'm having so much trouble with third.
Let's see what's going on here.
I'll put the brake on.
Yeah.
Neutral. Alright. Dad's gonna show me what I'm doing wrong with third gear. Now it ground a little bit when you went from reverse to first. It was rolling slightly.
Second gear. Down the low.
You just went straight down. Maybe I'm trying to push it too far to the right. Maybe you just go straight down.
Maybe.
Let's see here. Go down to third. Well, that was a little bit of a sound. Oh. This goes up in a U-turn over there. This dead ends, so you want to go up, I think.
Turn around.
Oh, okay. Nice. So you kind of go down, you find the H, and then you go to the right.
Mm-hmm.
Do you do that consciously every time, or?
I am lately.
Yeah, I guess so. People are oblivious to the chagrin I'm feeling at the moment. Seems to be wanting a little bit more.
Look at that.
Now, how are you going to get this back to second? Here you go.
Oh, look at
That adjusts the richness a little bit, Dan.
Yeah.
I don't feel so bad anymore, Dan. It's going to take some practice.
Yeah, we have to adjust the richness.
Yeah. That was kind of distracting, the learning curve, too. Well, here we are, the gas gauge still showing between almost 0. We need to check that. Make sure we put fuel in there.
We did. It just doesn't work.
So it used to boil over or overheat.
Well, it has one time, but it didn't do it today.
It is warm to the touch. I wouldn't put my hand on there long.
It's supposed to be, I guess.
Thermometer doesn't work anymore. It used to, Dad?
Huh?
Thermometer used to work?
Yeah, sure.
Let's check the gas level with the dipstick. I gotta pull out the little filter first. We're at the arrow mark. Is that where it should be full, Dad?
The second mark, yeah.
I think we only got about half a tank.
Well, that thing sure shut off quickly then. We got half a tank. That'll last for days and days.
Well, we got half a tank, so maybe I'll get to take it down to the station again sometime.